Bayern Munich love nothing more than sweeping up all of the talent that belongs to their German rivals, and they have picked up one of the best around in Schalke's Leon Goretzka. They'll just have to wait till this summer for him though. Whether it's Borussia Dortmund, Hoffenheim, Bayer Leverkusen, Schalke or anyone else in the Bundesliga, it's an almost inevitability that if a player is playing really well, especially a German one, they will end up at Bayern Munich. Check out our Dortmund what could have been team. This is mostly Bayern's fault. The Bundesliga leaders aren't exactly a side lacking talent and have won the last 5 titles, as well as 12 in all since the turn of the century, and are on course for yet another title. Now they can start looking forward to next season already, and whilst they may not know who will be in charge of the team, yet they do know that Schalke midfielder Leon Goretzka will be their player next season after the Gelsenkirchen side confirmed the transfer. Heidel added that the club were prepared for the situation, and it wasn't a surprise. With the 22-year-old's contract ending in the summer, he was available on a free, and many clubs, especially Liverpool, had shown an interest. Schalke manager Domenico Tedesco gave his thoughts, saying, "We are sad and disappointed to be losing Leon, both as a player and as a person, but we have to accept the decision. Leon is an important part of the team, no question. He certainly won't be an easy player to replace, but for Bayern it's a major coup for no money."